This is the Sears Back to School Video Air Mixer. Why is it called an air mixer? Because the Sears Air Band will perform to any custom music mix you create. You can choose the hot licks the air guitarist will play, the drum riffs for the air drummer, you pick the sonic sounds of the air keyboardist, and the sample loops of the air turntablist. Each air musician has 10 music riffs to choose from, and you can put them in any order or combination. You can even decide whether the air band performs a rock, hip-hop, skater, or pop music track. Put all your tracks together and the band comes on stage to perform your custom mix. It's an interactive video experience where thousands of tweens have been jamming out and jamming inboxes in the process. With the Send to Friend feature, this air mixer has made a lot of noise for the Sears Back to School program.